Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox, teleport failed due to an unexpected error with the error code 769, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and uninstall Roblox from your computer. Don't worry, we'll reinstall it once we're done, and just uninstall it from your computer. I've already uninstalled it. And then you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here run. You're going to write here app data. You're going to go into local. You're going to find the folder called Roblox here. Just go ahead and delete this folder and then go back, go into roaming, do the same here. So find Roblox folder and delete it from here as well. And after that, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. Go into this link, download this software and install it. And once you're done installing it, you're going to open it up. And then you're going to come here, you're going to click onto this settings icon. Make sure it is set to this second option 1.1.1.1 with warp and then connect it. And once it's done connecting, you're going to open your web browser up and then you're going to go on to roblox.com. And now you're just going to click onto any game and just download the game, and then you can try playing the game and you'll see that you won't get that error 769 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.